So now I will show you how to do a factory network unlock. In my opinion, this is the most valuable way to unlock your phone, and once you have an unlocked phone, you will be able to resell it at a higher price, and your phone will be compatible worldwide with all carriers. The first thing we have to do is to disable Find My iPhone, so simply go to Settings, scroll down where it says iCloud, and scroll all the way down where it says Find My iPhone. Make sure it is completely off, so you can turn it back on once your iPhone has been unlocked successfully. Alright, so then we have to get the IMEI number. Simply open your dial pad and type *#06#. So as you will see, your 15-digit IMEI number will appear. You can also find this number on the back part of the box of your phone or also in the SIM card tray. Alright, so this is by far the most important part of the whole unlocking process. Now keep this number somewhere close as we will need it in a few seconds to unlock this phone. Alright, so now we're gonna use the computer. iTunes saying congratulations, your iPhone has been unlocked. Boom, there you go guys, your phone is now fully factory unlocked and now it's compatible worldwide with all carriers. You should get a full signal on your new carrier. And that's it guys, that's how we unlock an iPhone 7. That's all for today guys. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment and I'll try to help you as soon as I can. By the way guys, we're also giving away a free iPhone 7, completely sealed, brand new phone. You can find the instructions on how to enter the giveaway in the next video. Thanks for watching guys, take care.
Hello everybody, welcome to Crystal Key. It is time to unbox the iPhone 7, and I also have the Apple Watch here because I pre-ordered both of them, but I do not have the 7 Plus. Unfortunately, I did pre-order the 7 Plus, but it's not coming here till October. I went to so many stores this morning trying to look for it, but they were not anywhere. No shipments at all today, so we'll do what we got here. Except for the Apple Watch, I'm going to put this aside because I'm going to just leave it for the review. So let's put that away over here. And let's get to opening this baby right here. So the first thing we notice, it's a black box because all the jet black phones, all the jet black iPhones come in a black premium box. It kind of reminds me of the older iPhone boxes, you know, the one where the phone was in front with all the icons, but this is a much more fancier looking. So let's open it. Oh, this is different. This plastic. It used to be just wrapped, and this is actually much easier to deal with. Let's put that aside. And look at that box. Beautiful. Open it up. Ooh. Okay, so we got paperwork first, not the phone. So open that up. Where's our little Apple stickers? There they are. White ones. Yeah, nothing special there. The phone, look at this. Wow. Oh, I love that sound. Oh my god. I like this a lot more than I thought I was. I was really excited for this color, but seeing it in person does not compare to like what you saw on the keynote. It feels so good in the hand. I'm afraid to hold it because I know how easily this scratches. Even Apple issued out a statement about that. So I'm not gonna put it down on this table because it will scratch. And you could already see how bad the fingerprint problem was gonna be. I already see my fingerprints on it and I barely touched this thing. So I'll talk about this more and boot it up, but for now I'm gonna put it aside and I'm gonna put it on here. I know it's a little weird, but I have to protect it. So it's gonna go right there. iPhone on Android, how cute, they're friends. Okay, let's get to the rest of the box. So we have our Lightning earbuds here in a different packaging. It used to be like a plastic one, I'm sure you all remember, but now it's all cardboard. And we have the little adapter dongle. Let's get that out first. You're gonna really need this thing, and it will cost you $9 if you lose it. So yeah, I'm anticipating I'm gonna lose it at least once or twice. So let's open up these Lightning earbuds. How do we even do this? This is brand new to me. I don't wanna break it. There you go. There's your Lightning. That's so weird to see, wow. And the Lightning cable, charging cable. That is all that's in the box. Let's get to the phone, the fun stuff. And I'm bringing this over because I do not want to scratch this phone. So the home button is not actually a button anymore. It vibrates instead. And now that's why we can't feel the click right now. That's really weird. But yeah, I guess I have to turn it on to try it out. It feels so weird. It's like if I got like a defective unit or something. Here we go. And if this feels so good in the hand. This is like, I think the perfect size for me. Let's go to this. English. So we're at the part where we meet the new home button. get started. Okay, so here's it's having me choose my click because, like I said, it's not an actual click. Apple kind of reinvented the vibration motors on their phones, so it feels more like a tap now than an actual like vibration. Kind of like if you have the new MacBooks, the touchpad is just like that. So let's see how it feels. Yeah, that feels like, it feels, I don't know, it's not really a click. You can tell. It's gonna take some time getting used to because it just feels like can you guys hear that? Let me put it to 3 and put it up to the microphone. That's not a click that you're hearing. That's all haptic feedback. So there's no actual click there. So we got to the home screen. Apple did mention that there's a wider color gamut with the iPhone 7s. I mean, I'm not sure if I really see that just by first look, but it does look really good though. And of course, iOS 10 is running on here, but it's nothing new. The animations, everything about it, this phone feels like super smooth. You just see it, like, look at that. Look how smooth that is. So with the camera on the rear over here, we got the 12 megapixel shooter. And now with the iPhone 7s on the smaller ones, we now have optical image stabilization, which is something we did not have before. So that's gonna be fun to test out. But I'm actually more excited about the 7 Plus because we do have that extra telephoto lens that we do not have here. So with the front facing camera, we have 7 megapixels now. So that's gonna give us a lot more detail. Let's take a quick look. Yeah, wow, this looks, you definitely see much more. This is weird. Very nice close-up of me, but it's much more detail now. So with the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, we now have stereo speakers. So we have up here with the earpiece that doubles as a speaker, and down here the right one will give you a better listening experience. So let's just take a look at that real quick. There we go. I mean, right off the bat, you could tell how much better that is than the previous, because it was just on the bottom, which was so easy to cover up. And last but not least, I'm not going to test this right now, but the iPhone 7s are water resistant, IP67, I believe. So yeah, well, you'll see that in the full review. Ooh, the fingerprints. You'll see that in the full review, but yeah, that's something that a lot of people need. That's pretty much all I see right now for this first impressions. Stay tuned for the rest of the testing and the full review of this phone, the iPhone 7 and the iPhone 7 Plus, along with those camera comparisons, which I'm really excited about. Want to see how that camera does in low light. But yeah, for now, that's it for this first impressions of the iPhone 7. So far, not disappointed. I want to know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts and first impressions on the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. And stay tuned and subscribe for the reviews and the camera comparisons. And I'll see you guys later.